In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall ERPNext. Whether you're looking to start fresh, upgrade, or simply clean up your resources, removing ERPNext from your system is an essential process that you can easily accomplish in just a few steps. First things first, you'll need to navigate to frappycloud.com. Think of this website as the control center for all your cloud-based operations, including the management of ERPNext. So, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type frappycloud.com into the address bar. Press Enter, and you'll soon be greeted by the main dashboard of Frappe Cloud. Once you're on the website, the next step is to identify and select the site you want to manage. Consider this your personal workspace. It's all neatly organized here for you. Look for the list of sites associated with your account. Once you identify the specific site where you've installed ERPNext, select it to bring up all the relevant options and settings. Now, with your site selected, it's time to move over to the settings. These settings are essentially the remote controls to manage, adjust, and remove different elements from your site. Look for a button or tab labeled Settings on the page. This is usually found within the Site Management section or at the top of the site overview screen. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on Settings. Inside the settings, you're searching for the crucial Delete Site option. It's always accompanied by a warning or confirmation prompt indicating the gravity of the action you're about to undertake. The system really wants to ensure you're entirely certain about this step, as it permanently removes all the configurations, data, and resources tied to ERPNext on this site. So, click on Delete Site. At this juncture, confirming the action is essential. The platform will likely ask you to confirm your decision one more time, just to be sure. This might involve checking a box, clicking a confirmation button, or typing out a specific word or phrase to ensure accidental deletions don't occur. Take a deep breath, double-check that this is indeed the site you wish to uninstall ERPNext from, and proceed by confirming the action. By following these steps, you'll successfully uninstall ERPNext from your site on Frappe Cloud. It's a straightforward yet significant process, ensuring that your workspace is tidy and ready for whatever comes next. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made the process simple and stress-free. If you have any lingering questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and have a great day.